My name is Mahmoud Yakubu, former Executive Secretary, Tertiary Education Trust Fund, TED Fund, and former Chairman Inec.
Speaker. My name is Reno, Omokri. I was a Special Assistant to the President on New Media. I'm an author, and I'm glad to be here. Thank you for having me.
My name is Chief Femi Fani-Kayode. I was the Minister of Aviation of this country, and I was also the Minister of Culture and Tourism of this country.
Haruna Abubakar, PhD, MFR, 4 times Commissioner, Sokoto State, 2 times Special Advisor, Sokoto State, 1 time Director of Water Education, Northwest.
Now, distinguished committee, my fellow nominees, my name is Right Honorable Akpoti-Uduaghan, a 3-time member of the House of Representatives, member of the 5th Assembly, 6th Assembly, and the 7th Assembly, and then a 2-time governor of Enugu State.
You're more than qualified. Take your bow and go.
Honorable member of the Lagos State House of Assembly, and I am Honorable Mrs. Lola Akpoti.
Next.
The Senate leader and senators from my state. My name is Oluwajimeka Ayotunwa Olumilua, the wife of the former governor of old Ondo State.
Enang. I was a member of the State House of Assembly. I served in this National Assembly for 12 years in the House of Representatives.
You're more than qualified. Take your bow and go.
Thank you very much. And I was advisor to the President of the National Assembly. Thank you.
Senate, other distinguished senators, my name is Right Honorable Jerry Manwe. I was a member of 3rd, 6th, and 7th Assembly.
Chairman of this honorable committee, Chairman, the Vice Chairman, distinguished, our own Senate
Skip protocol.
Senate Majority Leader.
Go straight to skip protocol. Go straight to your. Don't be nervous. Just go straight to your. I can see you're nervous. Just go straight to your introduction.
About the former governor of Ekiti State.
My name is Chioma Priscilla Hakim MNI, former First Lady, Imo State.
Good afternoon, distinguished senators. My name is Fatima Florence Ajimobi, wife of late Senator Abiola Ajimobi from Oyo State.
I am Senator Professor Nora Ladi Dadut of the 9th Assembly, and I am glad to be here from Plateau State.
9th Assembly.
My name is Professor Isaac Adewale, former president of the African Organization for Research and Training in Cancer, former vice chancellor, University of Ibadan, former minister of health, Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Chairman of... it's not working. Oh, okay. Distinguished Chairman, my name is Ambassador Joseph Volushola Iji, former ambassador to the Republic of Togo.
My name is Alhaji Abubakar Sanusi. I am a businessman. I'm from the private sector.
Ambassador Magaji Umar. I joined the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in 2001.
My name is Ambassador Joseph John Gargadi from Plateau State.
My name is Dr. Yakubu N. Gambo from Plateau State.
I'm Ambassador Mahmoud Lele. I joined the Foreign Service in 2001.
I'm representing Anambra. I was the former SA legal to Chief Uche Naji, the former Minister for Innovation, Science and Technology.
What is your
Majority Leader of the Senate, Senator Abdul Ningi, the distinguished Chairman, Senator...
Deputy Majority Leader who?
The Deputy Majority Leader.
Who?
Boma. That's what they told me. I'm so sorry. Former. Okay, former. Just leave it as okay, the majority leader. Okay, I apologize.
Proceedings the last 20 years.
Okay, the distinguished chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs, the distinguished deputy chairman, Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs.
Madam, leave protocol.
Okay, my name is Abimbola Samuel Ruben. I'm from Ondo South. Ondo.
Next.
Yes.
Are you a career ambassador? Okay, next.
Before us, career ambassadors and ambassadors before, and also the last among the nominees, Reno, is somebody that I personally know for the past 25 years, and that for his character. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, I again want to move that these nominees take a bow and go. I so move.
The power of example that he is a pragmatist. He is not detained by old feelings. You may have doubt, suspicion about anyone until you have the opportunity to so perform. Indeed, you don't know anyone until you give him the driver's, you hand over to him the steering of a vehicle. This young man has shown that where he sees a compelling evidence in the interest of the Nigerian nation, he will not be ashamed to say that I was wrong in my assumption. From what I have seen, this man is working and he deserves the support of all those who want progressive governance. The second side of the argument is that we have a president. We have a president who has shown that by the power of example, the minimum requirement of leadership, and here I will proudly say I was a governor, which is a head of a subnational government. And so when I talk, those who are not the governors should listen.
Governors come to Senate.
You have to have
governors. You struggle to.
Your Excellency, you have to have that large hand.
Become a senator.
You have to have, for me, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has showed a real quality. That the fact that you criticize me during the election, the fact that you abused me at what time was
Senator Adams, you made your point very clear. There is a motion. Please, Senator Adams, you made your point clear. There is a motion in place. Any seconder?
Okay. Come on, let me conclude. The president has showed large heart. And he deserves to be commended because he's now a president of all Nigerians.
We commend Mr. President. We commend Mr. President. Joel, Joel. Senator Ndume, are you opposed to Omokri's nomination? No. Senator Shomala, are you opposed to the nomination?
I have seconded it over and over 100%.
So you're on the same page?
You're on the same page. I say another to put the question.
The Secretary colleagues, a motion has been moved and seconded. Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.